How to buy NFT using Trust Wallet. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can buy NFT using Trust Wallet. Now if you come over here onto the website of Opensea.io, we will see that if we go over to the wallets over here onto the right side, if we click on wallet, as you can see we have a bunch of different options. We have Wallet Connect, we have MetaMask, Coinbase, Formatic, Trust Wallet, and stuff like that. But some of these wallets are for mobile versions. So what we need to do is we need to go back onto our phone, and what we need to do is we can go over to our Play Store and we can download Trust Wallet. So once we have this application in front of us, what we'll do is go over and click on install and wait for it to install. And while it's installing, we'll go over to our Chrome or our browser and we'll go ahead and start opening Opensea onto our phone's browser. So over here, as you can see, this is the application of itself. This is the browser. You can even use the mobile version of Opensea as well, but you can't buy or sell NFTs the application itself. That's only for keeping track of NFTs, taking information and stuff like that. You can't actually buy it. So to actually buy the NFT, you either have to use the browser onto your computer or onto your phone. That's how it basically is. So over here, as you can see, let's just see if we have installed. As you can see, Trust Wallet has been installed. What we'll need to do is open up Trust Wallet, and what we'll need to do is we'll need to create a new wallet. Click on the terms and conditions and click on continue. Just set a new passcode. Once you have set up your passcode, as you can see, backup, yeah, I want the backup. I'm just simply going to click on continue, and over here you have your secret recovery phase. All right, just simply have to copy it, or you don't have to share this secret recovery phase with anyone else. Keep it secret. All right, just simply copy it, right? Click on continue, and you can go ahead and paste your secret recovery wallet over here or onto your notebooks or pad, or take a screenshot and then align them up however you feel like it. Right, once it's done, just once it's in order, just simply click on done and you'll be good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. So as you can see, we have done it. We have created our wallet successfully. We are good to go. Let's go ahead and we'll do all of the things rest. So this is our wallet over here. Now what we can do is we can go back to our browser, and over here we can either use the mobile version of the browser over here, or we can use the computer version of the browser, whichever one you choose. So what we need to do is we need to go over to wallet, and we can either use Wallet Connect, or as you can see, we already have Trust. So if we click on Trust, it'll open up the the application over here, and as you can see, you have to open it up into your App Store or Google Play or Android or whatever. So there we go. So to actually connect your wallet, what you need to do is click on Wallet Connect. All right, over here, this is the QR code. What we need to do is we need to scan it. What we'll do is go back into our Wallet Connect application over here. As you can see, let me just go ahead and authenticate it. There we go. So now what we can do is we can go into the settings. All right, we have Wallet Connect over here. Give the permission to our camera on our phone. Now we have to scan the QR code. And once we have scanned the QR code, as you can see, we have the option to connect. We click on connect, and there we go. Our wallet has been connected. As you can see over here, wallet has been connected using Trust Wallet and using Wallet Connect. Now we can go ahead and actually buy an NFT, whatever we like. So just simply go over to explore. All right, over here we have all the trending publishers and stuff like that. What we need is an NFT. So we'll go ahead and click on explore, hover our mouse and click on all NFTs. Now once we're here, we have all the NFTs that we want over here. Wait a couple of seconds for it to load up. So there we go. These are all the NFTs that are available for us. So now we can go ahead and buy whichever NFT we like. So also keep in mind, here's a tip. Keep in mind, don't just buy an NFT just because it looks good or stuff like that. Do your research, find what applicable usage that NFT has and what fundamentals it has, if it's good or not. And once you feel like it has a use and stuff like that, then you can go ahead and buy it. But let's just assume that this is an NFT that it has an applicable use. So all I have to do is click on the NFT, and over here I can either make an offer or click on buy now. And if I click on buy now, all I have to do is just check the box and just confirm checkout, and I'll have to add my funds into our Trust Wallet, Ethereum or whatnot. Then we can go ahead and buy the NFT, and that's basically it. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy, no thing about it. And if we want to make an offer, all we have to do is just make an offer, enter in the amount, and choose the currency that we have, add the offer date and expiration, and then we can make an offer or convert to ETH. So these are the things that you need to know to actually use Trust Wallet to buy NFTs on Opensea. You can even, create your own NFT. So just simply click on create. And so as you can see, the page was locked. So what I would need to do is, if I click on create, it'll send a transaction into our phone wallet. So as you can see, the transaction is over here into the phone. So all I have to do is click on OK. And once it's okay, I just have to confirm my passcode and authenticate it. Once it's done, it'll redirect us to the creation of the page. So over here, as you can see, this is how it looks like. So there you go. It's really easy, it's really fun. So then just all you have to do is just simply upload your NFT over here, add in the name, the external link, the description, and the properties, and choose the blockchain that you want. I'm going to use Polygon, and I'm going to go ahead and upload a photo. So this is the one that I created. Just simply enter in the name of the NFT, add in the description, choose Polygon network, click on create, and it'll search for the web, so find similarities. Once it's done, as you can see, you have created your NFT. Now what's all that's left for you to do is just simply click on sell, and over here you'll just simply have to enter an amount of your NFT that you think is fair, add in the duration of the date, can be 7 days, 3 days, a month, whichever one you feel like it. And once you have entered in the amount, just simply click on complete listing. And over here, because we're using the Polygon network, we won't have to pay any gas fees or stuff like that. So just simply click on unlock currency. It'll send a transaction into your phone. You just simply have to confirm the transaction. Let me just go ahead and confirm the passcode, and once it's done, this should work. Wait a couple of seconds for the transaction to be submitted. I think it failed. Okay, let me try again. Okay, I think the transaction failed because I think due to the planned upgrade over here, as you can see, the listings are either they aren't going through. So what you need to do is just simply click on a complete listing. For me, by the time you were watching this video, this error should not be occurring because OpenSea would have fixed their servers or whatnot. Just simply unlock currency. You won't have to pay anything. Just simply sign the message, and there you go. Your NFT will have been listed onto the blockchain, and you are good to go. So this is how you buy and sell your NFT using Trust Wallet and Wallet Connect. So having said that, that is it for this video, guys. And if you liked this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and make sure to turn on your notification bell. Because if you do that, not only will you be helping us out, but you'll also be getting daily alerts of whenever we upload our videos. We upload daily, so you don't have to worry about running out of content. So just make sure to hit the bell icon, and you'll be notified, and you'll be able to consume your daily dose of tech videos and other gadgets and other tools that can help you run or scale your business. So having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.